Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this quick little eye look as you guys requested. This look was requested from my highlight and contour. I just did the eyelashes and the eyelid and the eyeshadow, and I just showed you guys my lip application. But I gotta go. So I had to film this in a rush because I have tickets to go watch the Black Panther after this, so I kind of breezing through the intro real fast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, I hope you guys are not tired of seeing this Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. It's my favorite go-to palette. Like, it legit has all the colors that I need, and I just love it for quick looks. And the eyeshadow colors that I'm using today, I feel complement my skin tone the most. So you can tweak the shadows a little bit to suit your skin tone, but I just love these colors. So of course I'm going to go in with this yellowy orangey shade first. Then I'm going to deepen that color up with a mustardy color, and then also layer that shadow with this reddish brick color over it. So that red color is going to go directly in the crease, and as you can see, I'm actually also bringing it down to my lid, and that's just so the crease color will be more prominent. It also blends easier this way. Next, I'm going to apply Lightning Bug all over my lid, and then also use Stila's Diamond Dust glitter on top of that. And what you want to do with that is to not pack it on too strong. You kind of want to shear it out so that Lightning Bug would also appear as well, you know, so it can create like a multi-dimensional effect. Luckily for you guys, I'm going to shut up so you guys can watch me do my thing. So to prep my lashes, I'm going to be using Sephora's Lash Craft Mascara in preparation for some falsies. To finish up the eyes, because we got to get this show on the road, I'm going to be using Costa Riche from MAC. It's a kohl liner, and then I'm going to also use that reddish brownish brick color on my lower lash lines as well. Just adding some finishing touches, perfecting the look. The lashes that I'm using are from Dodo Lashes. I do not recall the name, but I'll have it in the description box. And Dodo Lashes are my fave right now because they're $10 a pop for mink lashes. For the inner corner gleam, I'm going to be using those two shades from the Carly Bible palette. And then for my lips, I'm going to be using NYX's New Truffle and Dose of Colors Knock on Wood. And if you guys haven't seen my video with the review swatches, I'll also leave the video link in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Ta-da! We are done. I hope you guys enjoy this quick little routine. Let me know what your thoughts are. Leave any requests that you may have, and I'll happily get to them. Love you guys. Bye.